In this video, we are going to learn about class versus object. In this video, we are going to learn what is the difference between class and object. See, in object-oriented programming, anything in this world can be considered as an object if it can be broken down into its properties and behavior, where properties are known as data members and behavior is known as member function. Class is just a design. Class is just a design which represents the real world object in terms of their properties and behavior. Property means data members or fields, where behavior means methods or member functions. In Java, before creating the actual object, we must have the design. So, objects are created based upon some predefined design, and that predefined design is known as class. Yes, before creating the actual product, we must have the design. We must have to define the class. And then from that class, we can create objects. Let's see the common difference between class and object. See, a class is just a design and object is a implementation of a class. Object is a functionality of a class. An object represents the functionality of a class, where a class is just a design which is having properties and behavior. Class is created with the help of class keyword, and whenever we want to create an object, we use new keyword followed by the constructor. Class is loaded by class loader, and we can create object with the help of constructor.